Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video of me doing my own makeup today. I had some spare time at work, so I decided to test out some of the Jane products for dark skin girlies. My manager just went ahead and ordered them, so I'm very excited to test them out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to see when I upload new videos. And yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so I wanted to come in to show you guys, as you guys can see, I am trying to color match. These three colors still didn't match. My manager tried to help me and we came up with this one. This still didn't match. This was way too dark, guys. But I made it work. So just trust the process and yeah. Stay tuned. Keep watching. The look actually came out fairly decent. I just look like a chocolate teddy bear. Like, it just is what it is.